In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield washer fluid hose on your Ford Taurus. It's located on your hood and on your strut tower. Okay, so you're going to use a trim tool. You're going to take the blanket off the hood. You're going to want to pull it up off that, and we'll work our way around until we get enough access to it. So you're going to want to take off the entire blanket off the hood. Make your life easier. And then you could just put this off to the side. Okay, so this is obviously broken off. So I'm just going to pry this up, take it out of the hose, and install the rest. So this is just a press-on. Take it and disconnect the hose from the broken end. And we're going to connect our new one to this hose. We're pushing it in. And then we're going to press this on like that. All right, next we are going to gently take this end off. I would hold the other end of the washer sprayer to loosen it up and then pry it off. All right, if you find that you're having a hard time getting these off, sometimes they get so stuck, you should maybe just cut it off, cut into the rubber. Get your screwdriver in there and pop it off. All right, so here we are on our other end. I would twist it and pull. If it doesn't come off, do the same on this side. We can take our old part away and install our new one. Ensure that you're supporting the piece that you're pushing it on with, because you don't want that to break. It's made out of plastic, so it's a little brittle after some age. And the same with this one. After you install, just make sure that you turn your hose this way and make sure the bends are going this way. So when you shut the hood, they're not landing here, they're landing over here. So now let's put our cover back on. All right, so I'm going to start with my corner pieces and this little flap here. It'll help support it, line us up correctly. So just line it up, press it in. Line that one up, press it in. And you can just follow the marks on the blanket, hood blanket. And our last one. All right, so now that you have that back on, you're gonna just try your hood up and down. Make sure that hose doesn't get kinked anywhere. And you wanna try out your washer fluid at this point. Hit the button, see if this sprays. If it does, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.